Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show step by step how you can easily use Bonusly. Bonusly is amazing software for praising, for giving rewards to your employees, and if you're an employee you will learn also how to use this software. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just simply click try for free. If you're starting out guys, also click on the link down below in the description and you will get right here. So click try for free. Now when you're right here, we need to add temporary email, or just your email that you have. I'm going to use temporary one. Okay. I'm going to get confirmation email. And then we are going to continue. Now, I believe after watching this video, you will know exactly how to use it, so there's nothing to be afraid of. Now I'm going to add a password. Click next, and here we are. So I'm going to skip the tutorial. If you want, you can watch it, but I will show you how you can actually do it and what you can achieve with. So here you can simply add to your recipient, to your members of, or if you remember, you will find here all the points that you can get and you can give. So we'll get to it, but first I want to show you what you can find here. So first thing first are rewards. In rewards, you can like claim the rewards and redeem them. So Special Olympics, PayPal, allowance, boost. You can really choose which one you want. Now, when you're gonna be in home, what you can do simply is just have here a recipient. And these are the all users that we have here. Where? Then I'm going to add a month, like let's say 10 a month, then hashtag innovation, hashtag leadership, right? So this is pretty much it, how we can do it. Now, as you can see, you can add tags, emojis, image, or simply add a link and then give 10 points. Voila, I gave 10 points to Bear. So this is how we can simply do it. Now, of course, this is what you many times see as a user, but I want to show you how it's going to look like if you're gonna use, let me show you like this, as an admin, because that's something else. So I'm going to log out, but this is how you can do it. Then in analytics, you can find all the dashboard, the leaderboards, the participation, the recognition, and the leaderboard of who got most recognition received, right? So this is how pretty much it works. Now when I go back and I click here and I go log out, so I'm going to delete this email. I'm going to create a new one. And I will show you how you can do it. Now it's pretty simple and pretty easy. So again, try for free. And I will show you with a trial how you can do it. Okay, as a CEO. So this was how we can do it with as an employee, but as a CEO it's also similar and interesting, but you have more options, of course. And here we are. So as you can see, you got it much more complex as a CEO or someone who is managing Bonusly. Now you have an option to again click on rewards, and I have like again same thing here. Then you have awards, and I'm going to activate them. Now awards, you will have a giver and a reason, and you can read about more of it, so definitely check it out. Then home looks really similar, and you can again add a recipient here and continue with that. Now, what I definitely recommend when you're going to access Bonusly, click on a company and you can change the appearance here, the name, the logo. Then you get the recognition settings. monthly allowance, how many points you're gonna have, the custom currency. Then you're gonna have also billing activity and pricing and plans. So that's another thing. Now when you're gonna click on users, you can simply manage them here and invite them. So you can add a user when you're gonna click on the users, and you can add a first name, last name, email, so everything. Then what you can do is also edit them. So when I have a user right here, I'm going to click edit and I can edit it, or you can simply click on the user right here. And on our right top side, you're gonna have recognize any. So I'm going to click on it and you would find recognition received, recognition given, achievements, and also the user activity. So recognize any on the top right, and then you have any here, and I can again give her 10 points, recipient, or hashtag innovation, and voila. So this is pretty much it how you can do it. Now this is how the users works. You're gonna have also the earnings here. So what are their balances? You're gonna have the givings, the recognition given, unique recipients, participation, and now let's go here, wait a second. Okay, and then you're gonna have the signals here and recognition as a spent, reported, awards, and manage. So you have everything here, and you can manage users here and delete them and remove sample data. Then you have also something like signals. This is also interesting. So what you can do here is to enable it, and you can get a clear, mamma mia, what is happening here? Give me a second. What you can do is to enable signals. And you have signals here of the surveys, of the templates, and what you can actually do. So employee engagement survey, you can create it and send it to your employees. So you can play around with too, and then publish it for people. So this is pretty much it how it works. I don't know what else to show you. You can manage rewards here. So when I'm going to click on the rewards, I can have a PayPal, right? And you see to process this reward, PayPal will charge a fee to your PayPal account. US-based PayPal accounts will be charged a flat fee of 0.25. And that's pretty much it how it works. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions about Bonusly, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.